Welcome to a quick walkthrough of a 2-bedroom at Heathergate. This unit is 900 square feet and prices start at $829 a month. When you first walk in, you'll be in your large carpeted living room. You also have a coat closet right as you enter. On the other side of the living room, you have a sliding glass door which leads out to your own personal balcony. You'll then turn into your dining room and open kitchen. Each unit comes with a breakfast bar as well as a dishwasher and garbage disposal. Through your kitchen is a small laundry room that has a full-size washer and dryer for you to use. Shelving has also been installed to hold your detergents. Off of the living room and dining room area, there's a hallway that has doors to the first bathroom as well as both bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 has one window with all new blinds and a large closet. Here's the large master bedroom. As you walk through the short hallway area, you enter the bathroom with the shower and toilet area. Behind the door next to the shower is an area with shelving for towels. Right out of the bathroom are large closets on both sides of the hall. Back out of the master bedroom, you have a closet in the hallway with plenty of extra storage space. The hallway bathroom is a full bathroom with a full shower, toilet, and a large vanity.